I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken rod. Setting up your Kraken rod is straightforward. First, securely attach your reel to the rod seat, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Next, carefully thread your fishing line through every guide, from the reel to the tip. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure before you begin fishing. Finally, choose the perfect lure or bait for your fishing adventure. Mastering your cast with the Kraken rod involves smooth, controlled movements. Begin by using a fluid motion, letting the rod's action do the work for you. Aim precisely at your desired target with a gentle flick of your wrist, not brute force. Practice casting at various distances and angles to improve your accuracy. Remember, a smooth cast prevents frustrating line tangles and ensures a better presentation. When you hook a fish, the Kraken rod's power helps you land it effectively. Always maintain constant tension on the line. Never give the fish slack. Utilize the rod's incredible flexibility to absorb sudden, powerful runs and head shakes. To gain line, pump the rod upwards, then reel down quickly as you lower the tip. Finally, land your catch gently and safely, ready for release or keeping. Proper care ensures your Kraken rod performs excellently for many years. After every fishing trip, rinse your rod thoroughly with fresh water to remove salt and debris. Carefully inspect all guides and the reel seat for any signs of damage or corrosion. Always store your rod in a protective case or sleeve to prevent accidental bumps. Remember to lubricate your reel's moving parts regularly for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.